Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Limoblaze and Joel Barnes. A beautiful song they perform here, No Greater Love. And this is the acoustic version of it. And yeah, it's a piano based here if you listen and watch it. And yeah, we'll just go very stripped down, 4 chords and just 2 downs per chord. So this will be a quick tutorial on how to handle No Greater Love. And we're gonna start with the chords. We have no need for any capo here. Most of them are bar chords. So we're gonna start with the F sharp. Okay, so that's a bar chord where you play the 2nd fret, a bar there. You cover all strings with your index finger. Then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. Next is the G sharp minor. So move now your index finger, place it on the 4th fret where you cover all strings there, and then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. We have the next chord, which is E, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And then the final chord is B. And the sus version works perfectly fine here. You have a bar now on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below are necessary. So push them down there with the index finger, and then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. And there you have the chord progression. And 2 downs per chord. We have the F sharp, the G sharp minor, E, and B, like this. Alright, so that will be the stripped down version of it. Very easy to play and a nice way to practice bar chords. So thank you for watching, guys. No Greater Love. Then subscribe to this channel. So I hope you do that. And until next time, play tuned.